हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ प्रतीक्षा। आप देख रहे हैं क्रिएटिव डाटा साइंस। सो आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे वन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड पाइथन प्रोग्राम विच इज़ चेक द स्ट्रिंग इज आइदर इज पैलिंड्रोम और नॉट। सो यहाँ पे हम टू वेज देखेंगे। फर्स्ट वी यूजिंग स्लाइसिंग एंड another one which is using for loop, and here I am sharing whole information whatever the conditions which I have been using in this program. So वीडियो को पूरा ज़रूर देखना। The palindrome, which means when we read the string with the forward and backward direction, it will be same. Like when we reverse it, the string should be same. That called palindrome. Like when we call it mom, we reverse it, we'll get a same thing like mom. Like level, जब हम इसे रिवर्स करेंगे हमें सेम ही स्ट्रिंग मिलेगी. So this is called palindrome and we have to check it. Whatever the string we pass our program, either it's a palindrome or not. And here we are using if-else statement. So if-else statement is a conditional statement in the Python. And if it allows to execute the block of code if the condition is true, and else block will get executed when if statement false. And syntax for that, if condition, the block of code will get executed when if condition is true, or otherwise else condition will get executed. So here first program will see for that we take one string input, enter the string. here यहाँ पे हम जो स्ट्रिंग चेक करनी है हमें वो पास करेंगे, enter string. And here we are using string slicing. So for that we use a condition. First, if our given string equal to string reverse, our given string is equal to reverse of given string, then this condition will be true. अगर हमारी रिवर्स स्ट्रिंग एंड हमारी स्ट्रिंग सेम है तो ये प्रिंट करेगा स्ट्रिंग इज पैलिंड्रोम. String is palindrome, or else it will print string is not palindrome. Suppose we write Python which is not palindrome, we get string is not palindrome, and when I want to check a label is it a palindrome or not, we'll get a true, the string is palindrome. And if you want to know more about what is a slicing, what is a indexing, then मैंने वीडियो में के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए, सो वो वीडियो चेक कीजिए. सो यू विल गेट टू नो ऑल अबाउट व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रिंग, व्हाट इज अ स्लाइसिंग. यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट string slicing and string indexing. Now we will see another program which is check the string is palindrome or not with using for loop, or we can say without using slicing. So for that also we take one string equal to, which is reverse, equal to empty, because हमारी reverse string हम यहाँ store करेंगे using for loop. So for I in our string and reverse string equal to I plus our string I plus reverse string when we print our reverse string we'll get reverse it, because one more variable we add, suppose we have a Python string and we print reverse, we get reverse it. But now here we have to check either our string is palindrome or not. So for that we use if condition. If our string equal to reverse string, then print string is palindrome, or else print string is not palindrome. Print string is not palindrome. Now we write our string, which is Python, because Python is not palindrome, so we'll get string is not palindrome. Now we'll write a label, we'll get it is palindrome. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any query regarding to this, then do let me know in the comments. मैंने ऐसे ही Python प्रोग्राम की वीडियोस की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए, so it will help you to interview. So go and check it, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.